Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Magic Channel, and today I am going to be showing off a little trick where I have a prediction and a deck of cards. I'm going to take this prediction here because I don't want you to see what's inside in case it folds. But the same prediction will go into the otherwise empty card box, okay? Close the card box and we're going to set it off to the side. Now, in here, since this deck is shuffled, there are indeed jokers. We're going to remove the jokers. And now we have two halves of cards. This half right here in my hand is going to be the Magician's pile. And this half is going to be the Spectator's pile. Alright, so the Magician would then proceed to break off half and flip them over and swap to the Spectator's side, and then half, like this. Now, it might sound like I'm doing a tutorial. No, I'm trying to explain. Like, you don't know anything about how the trick is actually done. But, in case you guys think you do. In case you guys think I'm giving it away, I'm not. But then, the Spectator and the Magician will proceed to riffle the cards like this. Now, the same thing will happen. Just like this. Again. Just like this. And then one final time, the Magician and the Spectator would swap halves. And the cards would get completely shuffled together. Just like this. Perfect. Now, once that's done, the Magician would get both piles back and would proceed to shuffle the cards just like this, pushing them ever so clearly in to each other. Just like that. Now, it is a shuffled mess. There would be no possible way for the Magician to predict this deck, but there truly is. As you can see, we have a thing that says prediction very clearly. When we open it up, it says that there are 25 face down cards. Now, if we go through and count, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. The Spectator can then examine all of the other cards, seeing that there are no face down cards. And then now, Magician will leave those cards there squared up as he unfolds the next piece that says there are 10 black cards. And just with that, he will flip the deck over and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then the Spectator can then examine that the rest of the cards are normal and red. Magician will then square up the cards and unfold the next part. Struggling here to unfold. Alright. All of the cards are clubs. This is right about when the Spectator will realize that there is one card that is not a club. They will point it out. He'll pull it out, but the Magician is already way ahead in his prediction, as there is a folded up small piece. I just knocked a card on the floor. Small piece of paper that when it gets unfolded, it reads, except for the Ace of Spades. thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want a tutorial, make sure to comment down below tutorial, please. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. It'll really help me out. That's it. Peace out, guys.